Welcome to the new class of the grade ninth. We are discussing economics in that third chapter, poverty as a challenge. Yes. So we are discussed different aspects of this chapter. Now yesterday's video we are discussed little part of causes of poverty. The continuation of the causes of the poverty here, the not only the not only the only one um, reason the behind of these undevelopment of the economical condition, there's so many reasons are there, so many challenges are there to for these poverty. So another one, it is the job opportunities. Yesterday we discussed they are not getting a particular job for to run their life, that is unable to earn a income to fulfill the needs of their family. The second one, it is when we see that the huge the second one, the feature of this poverty, that is a huge income inequality. So all the people who are there in India, or not only the in India, other country also, they are not getting a income balancedly, or the inequality we can see the what they are the earning. Yes. So here, not only the inequality of the earning the income, another one, it is the major reason for the unequal distribution of land and other resources, that is for the agriculturist, they are not getting a properly land distribution for the per person in India. The many policies are there, the made by a government, that is also is not um, they issued by government, and as well as that schemes, it is a very difficult to reach a ordinary person who are the needed that policy. The sometimes what the policies are the made, or the what the schemes are the made by the government, they are the useful for to the agriculturist, but it is unable to reach in some corner of the rural areas. And so these policies, or these schemes are the main intention, main aim, main motto, that is a land reforming. It is a main aim for to the all these policies which they are the making, made by a government in a rural areas. The main intention, that is implementation or a development of these areas. When we see this, see this, most of the state government, they are taking very um, they are working very to implement all these policies and the scheme. Main intention of that is a land reforming to get a more profit for to the agriculturist or a farmer. And the another one thing is lack of land resources are major causes of the poverty in India. Another one cause it is, so lack of the land resources. So the almost all the our country India. So here the all the land is not made for to the agriculture. It is some part of the land, it is the used for to the agriculture. The other parts they are not using. So some people, we know we are the having a lot of resources in our country, but there is no particular equipment, or the no particular implementation for to the improve those resources in our country, especially in rural areas. So other things are there, that is the social, culture, and economic factor also is responsible for this poverty. So in order to fulfill the social uh, observation when we see that is the religious ceremonies, they are the making in different places, as well as the including the very poor, they are the spending a lot of money for these religious ceremonies, because they are the believed very deeply for to the god. And the small farmer, they are the needed the money for to the buy agriculture equipments, as well as seeds, fertilizers and pesticides. Here the who are these poor people, they are the unable to save their money, because of their whatever they are the earning, whatever they are getting a income, they will spend for their family, or either their land, or either to fulfill their family needs. So that's why it is very difficult for them to for the saving. So when unable to get a particular income in their hand, they will take a loans, or they will borrow some monies from to the other people, or from a bank. So it is difficult for them to repay that amount which is taken by them. So I think you in a newspapers you will read, and in a news channels also you will watch, that is they will take a suicide, hanging themselves, or they will take a poison to do the suicides. So when unable to repay that amount, they will take a dangerous decisions in their life. So because of what, only the one reason, that is a poverty. So they will become a victim of these the unable to pay the what amount they are the taking from to the bank, or other people. So these all the causes are the affecting on a poverty. Yes. So today's segment we are learnt about causes of poverty. For reference, you can refer a ninth grade economics textbook. Thank you.